Shit today. Hopefully this gym session will get rid of that. It's just a pump. Don't like. Don't like. I love you, okay? I love you, okay? So cute. Whew. I'm literally about to sign up for Standard Chartered Marathon. Today is the last day. I've been thinking about it because I only have 3 weeks of training. Let's go. Okay, let's go. It's literally happening. Okay, let me just put up. I choose 4 to 5 hours though.
ပေးလိုက်ပြီလား
မပေးရတယ်အခုပေးမလို့
4 to 5 hours မလုံးနဲ့ more than 601 hours လုံးလိုက်
More than 6 hours?
Yeah.
What's the difference though? Like, what if I come faster? Like, what if I come fast? What if I finish faster?
Bro, if you come faster, then that's not good.
That's no good, man.
There's difference ka. Sorry, change.
Yeah. စတဲ့အချိန်
Sorry, change. ပြီးတော့ hand G ဆိုရင်ဟိုမှာ
Well, guys, it's done. I was having trouble making payment. I don't know. I give them my money and they don't want to accept it. Anyway, let's go. I've got 3 weeks to train. After that, it's marathon. Oh my god, this is so last minute, but let's get it done. Anyway, I am gonna do some editing for now, and then later on I'm going out for a run. Let's go. Honestly, I can't believe I just signed up for the marathon with 3 weeks left to train. I mean, I've been running for a while. I think this is like the second one already, but excited, a different kind of excitement. Right. All right. Anyway, these new running shoes feel amazing. Yeah, got it in Bangkok, pretty cheap, very good so far, but don't take my word for it. I'm comparing it to my Converse and other Nike shoes. So yeah, the first running shoe feels super good. Good. There. That area is literally a killer for me. Every time I run past, I would smell the barbecue prawn, fresh prawn, which I'm sure tastes amazing, but I can't eat it. Ah. Holy. I was trying to hit my timing, 5:30, 5 km, but I came in short. 5:40. Whew. So it's not about the shoe, yeah? I'm kidding. Anyway, there's quite a lot of factors that can affect not just your shoe, your sleep, your diet, your rest, your training cycle, a lot of things. Whew. But not bad, feeling good. From a shitty day to a short gym session with random workout to, you know, signing up for marathon and then running tonight. Wow, it's good, man. It's good. Woo! Good. So while I was running just now, I was thinking about my football teammates and yeah, reflecting back on the video that I did a few days back with the migrant workers. So yeah, I finally thought of, like, you know, I might have the luxury to be training, you know, running 5-10 km, but you know, they only get like one day off and they come to, you know, play football. That's a lot of their time, which is for me up to, you know, 6 to 8 hours just from preparation to playing the match to the end of the game. So yeah, you know, I used to, you know, in my mind, I didn't say it to them, but I apologize. But in my mind, I want to apologize to them, but in my mind I always thought that, you know, why can't they put in the same amount of, you know, effort that I've been putting in. Yeah, and I will be angry sometime when I lose a match, but you know, after realizing their work schedule, their workload, it can be physically demanding. Their language is not very good, so it might be really stressful at work. So yeah, you know, I can finally, you know, put myself in their shoe and yeah, not demand so much. So from now on, I feel like, you know, I'll give my best for the team, and then, you know, whatever the outcome is, I'll just have fun together with the team itself. So yeah, I feel sorry now, but yeah, learn something. You learn something every day and then you improve on that. So not bad. A good running pot. And one more thing, I need to stop being stubborn because these shoes felt amazing. I mean, it's only 5 km, so I can't judge, but my feet, they're good. My knees, they're good. So I'm gonna test out this week whether, you know, if that's the case for long distance. I'm gonna try 12 km and then 18 with these shoes and see how it goes. So far, so good. And also, I need to find new places to run. I mean, this route is getting boring for me. Yeah, to go run somewhere else. So the other thing that I need to improve on, it is definitely my diet. It's not gonna happen this year. I'm not gonna promise you guys what I can't do. I'm probably gonna be eating a lot, maybe have some drinks here and there, but yeah, there's a lot of holiday coming up. There's a lot of trip for me coming up in the month of December, November, so yeah, this is something that I really need to improve on. If I can fix my diet, I think I can improve a lot more. So yeah, I'll work on that next year after all the, you know, holidays. But yeah, it's something I want to share with you guys as well and bring you guys along to, you know, improve my diet in general. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna enjoy my instant noodle and some prawn. Oh, this is so good. Oops, drop the prawn. Pick up another one. There you go. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.